Welcome to my channel, Tech and Wheels with Pat. This is Tips and Tricks 17, and I call it radio silence. So I'll explain you what I mean. Well, we all know that if you turn off the radio, when you start the car again, you won't start, the radio won't start again. But there is another way to do it, and this will as well take away the screen. In a way, the screen, you have another screen coming up. It's not one of my idea. I got it from a viewer. I don't remember who it is, so please let me know who you are. I got so many comments that, and as you see, I usually reply to all the comments, so it takes a little bit of time. So without ado, let's start. Well, you all know this one. When you start a car, you have this one appearing, and if you hold the button for 5 seconds, this one, it changes to this screen. So you have the time, you have the temperature on the top right, and you have the date, and no radio, no sound, nothing. And this one, if you turn off the car and turn on the car again, it stays like this until you press again on the button. So hold it for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or a little bit less, and you have that screen appearing. So that's radio. I call it radio silence. So thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to comment, to like, and we see you on the next episode. Bye bye.